Alright guys, good morning. It's a nice brisk morning in North Carolina. So after I got my tank back, I had ordered a fuel line from Boxer 2 Valve. These guys are in Hendersonville, North Carolina, and they have a lot of OEM stuff, fantastic service, and really good stuff. That's where I had my spokes done, retrued and everything, or trued. Anyway, so I got my tank back, put in new petcocks, did the new kits, ordered new front faces for the valves, and then the O-rings inside, so put those back on. And then I ordered this it's an upgraded, I guess, fuel line. And the cool thing about this is you don't need any hose clamps on this. It fits that tight that they say that you don't need to do this. So we'll see what happens, but I had the original tees. So I just ran brand new fuel line. I did actually the crossover. You don't have to do that, but if you don't do that, and you fill up your tank and you're getting wild and all your fuel seems to migrate to one side or the other, it could starve the other side of the bike, basically. I went ahead and just did it because I have the hole going through the case here and thought it'd be fine. The other thing I did is I got rid of my choke lever on the handlebar just because I upgraded bars and I upgraded all switches and everything. So what I did is I ordered these from Germany, and they're both single. Now each choke is singly operated instead of operated by one standard, one cable coming down. But I ordered these out of Germany, a place called Vergasser, for you German guys, and they do a bunch of really, OEM stuff that you could get. Fuel lines, everything, but again, these are just all different services they offer, and they were pretty, took a while to get here because of the whole COVID thing. Shipping was really slow. It took probably 3.5, 4 weeks, which is kind of typical now, anything coming from Europe. But they got here, they look good. The only thing I wish I would have done or should have ordered is the BMW logo on the top there. But other than that, no big deal. Very easy to install. Basically the same as your install for a cable. You would go ahead and put the end into the choke down here, to the choke lever. And I left the spring on the choke lever too, so if you don't pull this up all the way, it'll drop down pretty quickly, so you can't just do like a half choke, which is fine. I figured, get used to that. But they give you all the new hardware, so you just screw that all in there, and it looks pretty cool, I think. We'll see how it goes by pulling 2 choke levers and trying to start it that way. Other than that, again, still waiting on my switches. Other than that, and hopefully that's here in the next month. So anyway, that's all I got right now. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye.